Hello kids, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. So today we will be starting with chapter number 9 and it's again a poem. The coming of spring. Okay kids? So today what we will be doing a poem. But उससे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? एक warm up exercise. As you know, spring season, all of you I hope like the spring season. The spring season comes after winter and before summer. किसके बाद आता है? Winter के बाद और summer से पहले. It lasts for a short while. बहुत कम होती है उसकी duration, but is one of the most beautiful seasons of the year, है ना? उसमें weather इतना अच्छा होता है ना कि that you actually enjoy each and every moment. The colorful festival of Holi marks the beginning of spring. तो सबसे पहले जैसे ही spring season start होता है, which festival comes? We celebrate the spring season with none other than Holi, and I hope all of you like Holi. अच्छी लगती है ना Holi? It is a festival of colors, isn't it? So you can see a picture over here. People are praying Holi, and there is one question: what are some of the things you like to do in spring? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको spring में करना पसंद है? One is playing Holi, going out for the picnic, then watching the spring flowers. They are very beautiful, multicolored, and very bright. Even planting the trees. Then obviously enjoying the weather, observing the nature, going out and doing some hiking also. So many things you can do. I like all these things in the spring season. Okay kids, so you can also put forward and come forward with your views. Now, so here we start with the poem. Oh, the sunshine told the bluebird and the bluebird told the brook. See, the spring season is about to come. So the sunshine told the bluebird. Sunshine ने किसको बताया? Bluebird को. Can you see a bluebird over here? Sunshine ने bluebird को बताया और bluebird ने किसको जाकर बोला? Brook. Now what is a brook? A small stream of water. है ना? Brook को बताया bluebird ने. Bluebird गया brook के पास और क्या बताया? That the dandelions were peeping. Dandelions means what? The daisy flowers. कि daisy flowers उगने शुरू हो गए हैं. Were peeping. अभी start हो गए हैं. From the woodland's sheltered nook. Woodland is what? Forest. And nook like a corner place. कहीं पर a hidden small corner place. तो वहाँ से क्या निकल रहे हैं? Dandelions, daisies आ रही हैं. Daisy flowers are about to come out. So it means it's a news of happiness कि क्या आने वाला है? Spring आने वाला है. तो इसलिए पहले sunshine ने bluebird को बोला, bluebird ने stream of water brook को बोला, that the dandelions were peeping, निकलने start हो गए हैं dandelions, daisy flowers, from the woodlands sheltered nook. कहाँ से? Forest के corners में से, कोने कोने में से, है ना? हर जगह से. Then the brook was blithe and happy. इसके बाद क्या हो गया? ये सुनकर brook, जो वो छोटी सी stream थी, उसका it was blithe and happy. Happy means blithe means बहुत खुश होना, light hearted हो जाना, means दिल से खुश होना. Was blithe and happy to hear this. And it babbled all the way. And it babbled means, because it is a brook, means a small stream of water. So babbled means making a sound of water which is running over the small stream. So वो खुशी में आवाज़ करते हुई, वो जो झरना पानी का जो स्रोत है, आवाज़ करता हुआ आगे पीछे बढ़ने लगा. Okay. The brook was blithe and happy and it babbled all the way. पूरे अपने रास्ते में खुशी खुशी आवाज़ करता हुआ पानी आगे जाता रहा. As it ran to tell the river बिकॉज सी द ब्रूक, ब्रूक कहाँ पर जाकर मर्ज हो जाएगा, किसी रिवर में, और रिवर कहाँ जाता है, सी में. सो एज इट रैन, मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था इतनी तेजी से कि अरे डेजीज आ गए, इट मीन स्प्रिंग सीजन आने वाला है. सो जैसे हमें जल्दी होती है ना, कोई भी हम बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ सुनते हैं कि ओहो लेट्स गो एंड शेयर विद माई मदर, फादर, रिलेटिव्स, फ्रेंड्स, तो वही चीज़ हुई कि बिकॉज अब ब्रूक को तो कहाँ जाना था, रिवर के पास, तो वो जल्दी 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 बैबलिंग आवाज़ के साथ खुशी खुशी कहाँ गया, इट रैन टू टेल द रिवर, रिवर को बताने के लिए गया ऑफ द कमिंग ऑफ ग्लोरियस मे, बिकॉज मे इज द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द स्प्रिंग सीजन. व्हाट इज ग्लोरियस, ग्लोरी व्हेन समवन इज फेमस. हाँ, सो वो क्या बताने जा रहा है कि ग्लोरियस मे आने वाला है, द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द सीजन्स इज अबाउट टू कम. सो बी हैप्पी, द वे वी आर हैप्पी, द सेम वे द नेचर इज ऑल्सो हैप्पी. Soon the river told the meadow. अब रिवर को किसने बताया, ब्रूक ने. अब रिवर ने किसको बताया, meadow को. What is a meadow? ग्रीन फील्ड, एनी ग्रीन फील्ड. उसके पास क्या थी, वहां पर क्या था, एक ग्रीन फील्ड. ठीक है. ग्लोरियस मीन्स फेमस, एंड babbled मीन्स मेक अ साउंड ऑफ वाटर. Making a sound of water, making sound of water. Okay, a happy sound in fact. So river ने किसको बताया, meadow को, green field को, and the meadow told the bee. और green field ने किसको बताया, वहाँ पर बहुत सारी bees थी, तो meadow ने bees को बताया. That the tender birds were swelling. Tender means जो बहुत soft birds थी, वो अब swell होने लगी हैं, वो थोड़ी बड़ी होने लगी. It means spring season is about to come. On the old chestnut tree. That the tender birds were swelling on the old chestnut tree. कहाँ पर swell कर रही हैं, पुराने chestnut tree पर. And the bee shook off its sleep. ये सुनकर बी अपनी नींद ही भूल गई, shook off, भूल जाना. एंड स्प्रेड ईच येलो विंग, और अपने हर एक येलो विंग को स्प्रेड किया ये न्यूज़ सुनकर, बिकॉज द बी वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. एक्सक्यूज मी. एज इट फ्लू टू टेल द फ्लावर्स ऑफ द कमिंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग, और वो उड़कर कहाँ गई, बी, फ्लावर्स के पास, क्या बताने के लिए, दैट द spring season is about to come. So let's all welcome the most beautiful season, that is the spring seasons, which comes after winter season and before the summer season. So kids, I hope all of you liked this poem. It was a wonderful poem, huh? When you just hear about the spring season, isn't it? Don't you feel good? And after reading this poem, you can again go back to the memories of the spring season. So now coming to the word meaning. Brook, as I have already told you, it's a small stream. Woodland is a forest. Blith means light-hearted हो जाना. Means अब कुछ नहीं है, खुशी का टाइम है. Dandelions are daisies. Nook, a small hidden place. Nook क्या है, small hidden place. Glorious means one who is famous. Darken the circle of the correct option in OMR sheet. Told the bluebird about the dandelions. किसने बताया था bluebird को about dandelions? Sunshine. Who told? Sunshine. Was blithe and happy. Who was blithe and happy? Brook. Brook was blithe and happy. The tender birds were swelling on the old chestnut tree. किस पर आए थे? Tender birds, chestnut tree पर. After that, the bees flew on flowers to tell that, क्या बताने के लिए? Spring is coming. What? That the spring is coming. So I think this is clear. Now moving to the B part, which is fill in the blanks. The brook was blithe and happy. Blithe means light-hearted, खुशी का, जैसे खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहता, हाँ? Happy from the heart, from within. The dandelions were coming out there. कहाँ से आ रहे थे dandelions? From their hiding place. That is the nook. Huh? The bee shook off its sleep. वो sleep अपनी नींद सब भूल गई. And spreaded the wings. The bee told the flowers that spring is coming. What is coming? Spring is coming. Say if the given statement are true or false. अब आपको बताना है कि ये statements true है कि false है. The sunshine told the brook about the spring. No, the sunshine told the bluebird about the spring. So this is false. It was the season of winter. No. Spring का season start हो गया था. The sunflowers were peeping out from their hidden place. This is also false. On the old chestnut tree, the birds were blooming. That is true. That's all, kids, in this chapter. And now I hope you have already understood the comprehension part and the poem well. So have a nice day, enjoy yourself, take care, and goodbye.